This is the type of vehicle that haunts my dreams at night. This giant tampon dispenser you call a fucking electric truck. This is the Cybertruck. And this vehicle fails at everything, including being a truck and a reliable EV. Forget the fact that this thing has over 8 different recalls for safety hazards that can end your life and anybody else on the roads. Forget the fact that Whistling Diesel did a stress test on this vehicle and it pulled the trailer hitch right out. I have never seen a truck do this before, unless it's shoddily made. Forget the fact that an old Hummer can beat the Cybertruck at doing truck things by going in reverse. And forget the fact that it shits itself by going over a mere puddle, or that it's so heavy that it gets stuck, you have to get another vehicle to get it out. This vehicle fails at everything. Not only that, I almost lost my fingers to the front when I used to work on this punk of junk. This vehicle is made by a man who has the mindset of a 12-year-old, and it shows.